What's going on, everybody? So I'm trying to figure out, it didn't save my stuff from yesterday. So now I'm trying to, it's like not even letting me right click to trade. I don't know why. I thought I had Quantower figured out yesterday, but for some reason it's still a day behind. But now I can't even figure out how for it to allow me to even trade again. I don't know if I'm like on the wrong connection. No, I'm on the right connection. I mean, my accounts show up and everything, but I don't know. Brago Tamimi, good morning. Zishan, good morning. Need my Ninja Trader connoisseurs in here. Like when I right click, I know you guys can't see that, but I don't see. Maybe let me try reloading. See futures NQ. I mean, it's still the same thing, but when I right click, it's not letting me trade. Let's go to properties real quick, I guess. I don't remember having to change anything just to trade yesterday, though. Donovan McNabb, what's going on? Crosshair chart trader. Let's see. Okay. So this is what I had up before. Okay, there we go. That's why. It didn't let me have this selected prior. Why can't you guys see that? Is that like not part of the... Interesting. Okay, yeah, look, there it is now. Now I can trade it. Alright, so I just had to have that on the chart. Got about 2 minutes here. We're kind of down from yesterday, sort of. Can't go any further than that. So let's scroll. There's the click over day. Oh wow, we are like way up still from yesterday. So we climbed higher, but now we're trying to pull back. Oops. I don't really know how I feel about that. We probably work back lower today, you would think. What happened to Quantower? It's still showing me an hour or a day behind with the data for some reason. And the account that I got isn't showing up. So I don't know what's going on with that. I sent him, the guy I've been working with, I sent him a video of it this morning because he asked me to. What's up, Pine Tree? AP, Rayu, Tamimi. Well, Tamimi I already said hi to, but... Am I on the right connection? I'm definitely on the right connection. Why am I using Heiken Aikish? I am? I don't know. How do I... I'm just using candles. Oh wait, you know what? I might know why. Maybe that's why it looked funny yesterday. There you go. I'm hoping over the weekend we figure out this Quantower issue, because then on Monday we can be back there. But for now, this is where we are. All right. There's the bell. Oh, I do. Oh yeah. Can I get on the MNQ? All right. So it's allowing me on the MNQ, which is what I meant to be on there. All right. So my idea is I'm going to be picking spots with 5 contracts of MNQ. That's my thought process. Right now, it looks like we might go try the lows here. If you scroll back, this is actually the low of not even halfway of the move we made yesterday. Let me see if I can show you that real quick. So that's where we are now. This is the 30-minute. So you can see that big move yesterday. We're not even halfway down that move, which makes me feel like we might try to go lower today. Got in here looking for this to continue lower. See what happens. Kind of always, it's always risky playing this close to the bell because obviously it can do whatever it wants, but looks like it might want to try higher first. I mean, this is just a crappy open when you really think about it. Just chopping inside of the chop we already had pre-market. It was a decent first candle, I guess, but it looks like we might try higher first. Still rejecting there for now. Nope. Nope. So that's why we give it that little bit. Just for that little click. See if it works out. I'm actually going to add to it there. I should have added a little quicker, I think. Oh, I should have left that. Nice. Usually when you get those rejections, with only that little bit, you get a decent little pushback down. Unfortunately, it went right to our averages and said, nah, we're going to go higher probably. That's okay. We didn't add too much more risk there. But it does look like it's going to try to go higher. Unless we can get the big reject here. Put this order in just in case we get a flush. That's just for half, and then we'll try to let that other half go if it does do this. Yeah, we keep wicking. It's trying to wick. There we go. Broke that previous candle. See if we can continue. That's not a good sign. If it just, it basically, for science traded that previous wick. We really wanted that to just dump through. Yeah. It's usually a sign that it's going to go the other way. Alright, well, we're going to get stopped out here for sure. I don't really see how we don't. Candle closed up there, wicked after. If somehow this trade doesn't stop us out and it works out, that's going to just be pure luck because every sign points to this stopping out. Wow, literally missed us just barely again. I mean, that's why I put it up. Just I always try to go a little higher because you'd be surprised how many times they do that, where they go just one tick above and then shove it the other way. That's twice now it did it. We just avoided the stop, but man, they keep buying it up. I was just hoping we could get back down to the bottom of that range. If we did, I was hoping we'd get maybe a continuation down to the lows there, but it's just strong. They just keep buying it up. And they just keep buying it up. Yeah, we're definitely... I'm not going to move it this time. I was going to move my stop to break even if we got a decent push down through there, but unfortunately it just poked through our average. So not much we could do about that. I just thought we were going to have that up and down chop in here, which we still might. I mean, it hasn't broke higher yet. It is possible to continue back down into here. We'll see. If we can break this candle, we probably do get a decent little shove. That's so frustrating. It's just using our average like that. All right, come on. Give us that big push down. Come on. There we go. 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 Come on. No. Don't do that. Continue down. Continue down. Come on. Push it. Ah. Just gonna follow it down. This should it should have just went from here, but it's not, so not yet anyway. I'm not gonna let it go back up all the way anyway. All right, stopped out there. Not a very favorable loss, but that should have went. That should have continued down if it was gonna go. In fact. In fact, we're going to switch our position so that we can get proven wrong, that we have no idea what we're talking about. Consumer sentiment at 10, yeah, I saw that. Yeah, we still got 21 minutes for that. Yeah, we're definitely in some chop right now. But just looking for it to go back up to the highs here. See if we can get half off at that current high and then see if we can let the other ride. Just trying to get up there. Yeah, we just can't get that little extra push in our favor. Probably should have been at break even there. Come on. Blast through. Blast through. Come on, blast through. At least try the count. There we go. Now keep going. Move this to break even. Let's see if we can continue. Now the idea is we want to stay above here. I forget where that candle close thing is, but we're gonna let this roll. Hopefully we use this as support now. Perfect. That actually gives me the ability to do this now because we did use that. We bounced right off. Hopefully we can continue to hold this. Hopefully we don't even come back down to it, obviously. No, don't do it. Stay up there. No, stay up there. No, stay up there. Stay up there. Alright, got stopped out. That actually brings us pretty much... We're actually green, but not green. Brings us... We're $32 up, but after commissions we're down $2.30. And it... look at that little fake out wick there. You can't really mess with that though, because a lot of times this will shoot back down into the range, and because it shoots back down into the range, it ends up giving you the actual big pullback, which it still might. Nice, Sean. Siapa, what's going on? Good morning. Yeah, that's frustrating because I really liked... I love that. That's the setup you're always looking for. You're just looking for it to continue without any sort of pullback into the range like that. Might be able to get long again here if it goes sideways for a little bit and starts to curl its way back up. The only thing that would convince me that we're going lower right now would be a big boner candle to the downside. That's about it. There's an attempt at a boner candle. The old attempt. Yes. So I wouldn't say that's a boner candle, but that is definitely a downward candle. I thought my order, maybe it was because it was a market order. I thought it was way up here. If it says it filled me all the way down here, that's kind of crazy. I don't know why sometimes this like changes. There it goes. Oh, that was not the candle we were looking for. I thought right there at the bottom of this candle we were actually going to get the push lower, but man, that was right back up. Now we're trying to go back down. We're getting close to the news, so see what happens. Might actually just get down. Well, no, I would take it off before the news. I'm really looking to get down to this line down here. It's really, it was my bias from the beginning was to at least come down and retouch it, just based off of where everyone was at from yesterday. If we can break this candle here, we should definitely get this fill, but we need to get through it first. But we might just chop in this area until 10 o'clock. We need this to fail. I don't even want it to get close. Of course, as I'm saying that, we didn't really want it to even get close to the top of this candle again, because if we break the top of this candle, the odds are we're going to try to go higher. Need a reject here. Last 10 seconds of this candle. It sucks. It feels like it's going to try higher, at least first. Alright. There's those couple ticks that we attempt to avoid coming in play again. See if it works out this time. Come on, give us the big push. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out on this one. I just really thought that we would get this test lower before we went higher, if we went higher. You know, just the idea, how many times do we see like, okay, look at this big move down throughout the morning. We're probably like, people see it going lower. They come down. How many stops are sitting here, right? That's my thought process, is how many stops are sitting here? Probably quite a bit. So my thought process is they come down and sweep it and then move it higher. Like you would think that's what would be happening, but unfortunately, the buyers just keep stepping in. Rayu 514, nice, good job. No, Siapa, I will once I get back on Quantower. I didn't feel like setting all this up just for a couple days. I really just got it the bare minimum. So I passed my first MyFunded Futures 50K today. What do I do next to activate it? So it will self-do. It'll do it at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock tonight. You just have to wait for it because that's when the day clicks over. Congrats, by the way, Stock Butcher. Good job. And now this feels like we're going higher. Yeah. I shouldn't have. This was just a pure FOMO trade. Just looking like we were going to squeeze up through the highs again. Be careful, news is coming up. Just got to go against me. If you, sometimes that is the case. Sometimes that is the case. I don't know, now it feels like we're almost too close to not at least try it, huh? You know, fake it out first. Yeah, that was a FOMO trade. I shouldn't even have been in that trade. There was no like clear. I mean, I put a stop in previous candle, but that's not a clear stop. That's not a good trade. Really don't want to. I want to make sure I'm not in it when the news hits. I'm just assuming things at this point. I just want to be back on Quantower. I really do. I feel like that is so mentally messing with me. It's ridiculous. Man, this is gonna go much lower probably now. Like we're just gonna stay in this range, I guess, until that news. How do you get sell stop on so fast? I'm just right clicking the chart and it's on there. Please put it in currency. I don't know how. How? Tell me how and I will. I honestly don't know how. Properties. Yeah, I don't see it in the properties. This is Ninja, but I'm only trading on Ninja until I get my Quantower back. Because I don't like it at all.
This is the future. Human error. Evolution.
I will be going back to Quant. So my Quantower works. I can connect via the DX feed that they have going. I'm thinking about just buying a Bulenox account until they figure it out, to be completely honest, just so I can trade on Quantower, because it's ridiculous. I mean, I might just do that right now, to be completely honest. Why don't see the right click panel? Oh, it's because in OBS it's capturing the window. So that's a new window that pops up technically when you right click. So that's why you can't see it. Right click under the right side where the order entry buttons are and hit properties. Ah, there's a different properties. Points, currency, okay. There you go. Oh, crap. I didn't realize those were 10s. Oh, great. Now you know this is going to go straight up. I thought I was on 5. I didn't realize I was on 10. Of course. Of course. Of course. Oh, you gotta love it. Fun times. Fun times there. I can't wait to get rid of this crap, man. I just feel so lost. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I did it. If you could please send me the 1500 I lost yesterday. What are you talking about? Why would I send you that? Is that what I owe you in interest now? So I was watching Aiden Ross highlights of his streams yesterday, and there was a guy that literally essentially gifted him $750,000 over the course of 3 separate transactions so that they could watch him gamble. No, it was just some like highlights video that popped up. I don't actually watch him. But it was about him being gifted 200,000, then 250,000, then another 250,000. So it was 700,000. Just like who just one of his people that were watching him. They literally gifted it to him so that he could use it to gamble. Insane. No, I'm not into watching them. I watch the memes and stuff like that, but I don't like sit there and actually watch the streams. All right, I was hoping to get that flush before what's about to happen. All right, I gotta take that just for the what's about to happen. Of course. Of course. Of course. F it. This is a huge, huge stop. Quite the news we got, guys. Pretty crappy, actually. It's gonna be one of them ones where they say something and then it just shoots right back down. Why did it not? I don't understand why sometimes it like combines. There it goes. Yeah. Yeah, of course. I'm like just straight tilting at this point. I'm literally just gambling that this is just gonna go higher. There's no rhyme or reason that I'm in a long position right here. I was gambling with the 5 that I had out there. And now I basically just flipped it plus and added 5. I mean, obviously this news sucks. We didn't even break out of the range we were in. So, was it red folder? I heard people talking about it. There's no way this was red folder news. Yeah, it was orange folder. Orange folder. The way everyone was talking, I thought it was red folder. There we go. Maybe we get rid of 5. So we can get the push back up there to that. I'll take 5 off and we'll try to let the other 5 go. Or it just comes all the way back down. Let me stay below this candle here just in case. Did we break? Oh yeah, we're not even, okay. I think at this point we just follow it up. I don't remember where to get the, is it indicators, I think? It's like, bar timer. There we go. There we go. Alright, I still think I want to get rid of half of this, and then we'll put the others at break even there, if we can get back up towards... I wanted it at the highs. Really? Really? I mean, my thought process is to hold this and allow it to continue up through the highs. So if we can't even go up and break the highs, and I can't even take half off as it's breaking the highs, then the trade idea isn't working anyway. So I've been trying so hard. Like, I feel like right now my mind is in a place where I'm like, you know what? I want to learn or work on patience. Like, I want to, if I have an idea, I want to let it play out. I don't want to bitch out just because I see like some green on the chart. Like, the whole idea behind moving forward is if I'm going to trade longer setups is I need to be patient and let them actually play out. Should my stop be at break even right now? Yes. That's the one thing that I don't agree with myself, so I'm actually gonna move it because I need to do at least that. All right, here we go. Come on, break up through. Break up through. Alright, there we go. Alright, so we got that. And now we'll see if we can't ride the last 5. So no matter what, we're green now. But obviously we're hoping for this thing to just run. Put the Keltner? I don't even know what it would look like on here. Offset multiplier 4. Period. 15. Oh wow, they're like way up there. There you go. There's the Keltners. So on candle close, we're just going to follow it up now, just like we normally would. It's been really choppy this morning, so I'm not expecting much. I really need to just wait for better setups. I didn't say I will, I said I need to. No, I don't have the marbles up yet, Zishan. I don't have it up just yet. That does remind me though. Alright, stopped out of there. We're now up 277 after commissions. You need to say it my way? What do you mean? I will wait for better setups. Oh, I thought you were mocking me. You're saying I need to say it. Well, isn't need and will the same two things? I was waiting. I was just trying to ride a push to the upside. If we find support here, there could be another trade looking for it to go back up. So marbles now, if you guys want to play, you need to head over to Twitch. Okay, this is just for marbles. If you want to participate in marbles, I have the link pinned. You just click on the link. If you have an account, great. If not, you might have to make one. But then go over to Twitch and type !play. I mean, when we play for money, it's completely up to them if they want to come over and do it or not. So, for the accounts or money, it's just so much easier. I don't have to worry about anything else. Just come over here, !play, and you're good to go. It's that simple. So see, somebody did it. Kakaku. Now I got to make 20 Twitch accounts. Well, that's also part of why I wanted to do it this way. So I only have Twitch for just chatting chicks. Well, we're going to be doing all our marbles races over there on Twitch now. All you got to do is go over there, !play, and it'll get you on the board. It's just one, it'll make my life a million times easier. So that's what we're going to do. Rayu, it's !, not whatever symbol that is. Never seen that symbol before. We're not going to play right now, but I do have it up. So if you head over there and type !play in the chat, it'll put you on the board for when we do play. Money sign chat. Don't forget to hit the follow button while you're over there as well. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right, let's see if we can get a move up higher here. Ideally, I would have gotten in on this candle or like one of these two candles, but I was messing around with the Marvel's Twitch thing. All right, so far no breakout. Toy Cruiser. 5 contracts. It's MNQ. MNQ. And it's because I'm not DCAing. It's more of a, I might get one ad, but the idea is our one entry works or it doesn't. Stock Butcher on the marbles track. I can see the track above my chart. I know you guys can't see it, but like a bug just like flew into my nose. Yeah, we're still trying. I say as long as we stay above this area, this 530, 532 area, I mean, it's valid. I feel like, well, of course, as I say that. We can get back up towards the highs here. That's actually a nice little fake out. We're trying. If we can get the break up through, we'll move the break even. Unfortunately, probably going to get a retest of here. Yeah. We did get the retest. Hopefully now we can push away from it. Alright, let's go, let's go. Push away, push away, push away. Give us one of those nice little push away candles. Risk-free trade at this point. Now we're just hoping we get a nice move. Good morning, Walla. Are we doing the marbles race today? We are, over on Twitch. I have it up and ready. You just got to go over there and exclamation point play in the chat on Twitch. It's the linked comment. I'm going to lock in a little bit here, even though we might finish this candle towards the lows of it. Gave it that little bit of room. So far it paid off. Kind of faked it out. Hopefully now we go higher. Obviously going to have to leave our stop here now. It's crazy. My bias was short this morning, for sure, but market had other plans. For now. You. Go back to connection. Ah. All right. I think we might have just figured out the Quantower issue. Switch. This is my username. Have to be real. Hmm. All right, we're connected. Okay, okay, maybe on to something here. And we still haven't gotten stopped out either. So I can't see my chart at the moment. It must mean we're still above NQ Asia, NQ. What are all the NQ? There's so many NQs. Holy crap. NQ. Right, that's why I can't find it. He's okay. We are still higher here. Should move my stop to here, which is where it would have been anyway. But I think we would have been out of the trade. Yeah, we would have been out of this trade. Give it the benefit of the doubt. All right. Options. All right, I think. All right, we're on the right day. That's good. I can see my account. Oh, and then we got stopped. Well, we're making progress. I'm on the right date on Quantower. Oh, it faked us out, didn't it? That little shit. It's okay. NQU20. Okay, let's see. NQU24. NQU20. Okay. There we go. Okay, that works too. All right. I think we got our Quantower back. Oh, baby. What is this? Oh my god, thank you so much. The only thing though, this doesn't look like it's working. All right, let's see if the M and Q is on here. Okay, it is. Sweet. Oh, thank you so much. All right. Yes, we're back. We're back. All right. Probably shouldn't be in this trade, but I was testing it. Now we can resume our degenerate ways. Are you kidding? I feel like I was more degenerate on the other one. Now, for some reason, my overlay is all messed up now, though. I don't know why. That's not what it's supposed to be. See how, like, the border doesn't go all the way around for some reason? Oh, I think I know why. It's because of... Where is it? Window capture. There we go. Oh, no, it's still messed up. All right. Let me see if we can make something out of this trade real quick. I'll just follow it down. I don't even know. What would we lose on this? Just out of curiosity. 50 bucks? Okay, whatever. I'm not gonna fret over 50 bucks right now while I'm trying to figure this out. Let's make it 100. Let's make it 100 or 87, 91. I got a feeling this is gonna go back down to this 530 area. There we go. Let's do it. Just put an order out. Here. Looks like we might try to bounce here, so we'll front run it a little. Oh, I was wrong. Oh, I was very wrong. They faked that out hard, didn't they? Look at that. Alright, whatever. Alright. Yeah, I'm so excited. I just gotta figure out what's wrong with my overlay real quick. Oh, look at that. That's actually red to green, too. Man, see, all the things I didn't know. So, go back to Ninja after that red loss. Nah, I'm red overall on Ninja there, Mr. Pal. So I think moving forward, we're gonna. So, I did. Well, let me figure out this. We'll talk about my strategy here in a sec. But we were wrong so far on this one. Looks like it's trying to. Looks like we're trying to reject this red to green though. See if we can get back down there. We'll put 2 out there if we can retest it. And then we'll see if we can get 2 more to run. Or it just boner candles right back up. Yikes. Talk about fake out central. All right, well, we're going to leave this alone for now while I figure out my layout if it stops us out. Jeez. All right. Enough of that. No more playing around. This is why we don't play in the chop. This is why we don't play in the chop. All right. Let's figure out what's wrong with my overlay. You're essentially, when you're in this chop, you're essentially guessing which way it's going to go, right? You don't know which way it's going to go. You're guessing. Always remember that. You might think you know which way it's going and it goes that way and you're like, "Oh, look, see, I knew which way it was going." But in reality, you just got lucky. All right. Which one of these is the layout? All right, that one works. Those work. Where is the other overlay? Is it this one? Okay, so this has to be. So Quantower just has to be. Huh? I am so confused. So I just have, so it looks like I just need to move this. Okay, yeah. There we go. All right, so now Quantower. Never again. Oh my, are you kidding me? Oh, it did try higher, so at least there's that. So it's no more exclamation point marbles. You got to go over to the Twitch chat. The Twitch chat is linked in the top of the chat. You go there, you type exclamation point play into the chat there. I'll do it over here on Stonks as well. I'll put it in the chat if it lets me. I don't think it lets you post links over there. Let's see. There's the... Okay, that works. You just have to figure it out based off that. You changed because of me. No, it wasn't because of you. It's something I had been pondering doing for a while now anyway. All right, overlay. All right, that looks good. All right, we're leaving it just like that. And now we're missing this. Oh, it's got to go above the overlay. There we go. Okay, we're back in business. We're back in business. All right, so here, who's in the race? I don't even have that up right now. There we go. And put that over here so I can see it. Why is it not letting me adjust the window? It's not letting me adjust the marbles window. Oh, there we go. All right, there's 13 people in the race over there. All you got to do, go over to Twitch. Let me zoom out a little bit so we can see all the marbles. Go over to Twitch, exclamation point play in the chat. Now, why is this all messed up? Oh, because I made it smaller. Oh, okay. There we go. Exclamation point play in the chat. It will get you into the race. And don't forget to follow while you're over there. What is the first thing you should always remember when it comes to trading? NY thing is buffering? I don't know. What is the first thing? If you're already in, it should not redo it. Just FYI. So the bans are part of... I'm going to go... I think I had a long talk with David and myself after I talked to David. And the DCAing was working. And what wasn't working is when the losses just got out of control. So what we're going to do is... I don't know how to do it with my fund of futures, but it's something I'm going to look into. You know what? I'm actually going to ask them right now. Hold on. I'm going to ask them how to put a max, see if there's a way to put a trade, like a max trade loss. So that way, when one trade doesn't work, it doesn't just blow the account. Because it's okay for a trade not to work. The problem is when we get into a trade and it doesn't work and we just let it blow the account. That's a no-no. We can't have that. But if overall, because there were plenty of days actually where I was making $1,000 with 2 MNQ contracts and never exceeding $300 of risk. Like it was just how it was working. So my thought process is I need to find a number, whether it's like 500, 700, just a number that's not the max daily loss, so that if I lose, I lose. It's okay. I can make it back. I can't make back a blown account. So that's the idea. So that's the idea. That's what we're going for. The only other issue now is I don't... Oh, speaking of which, kind of missed that trade. That's what I was looking for here. That candle there is what I was looking for over here. What was I gonna say? Oh, the only problem is I don't have a way to show... Oh, I forgot you guys are still on the marble screen. I don't have a way to show you my current P&L because it looks like this is not working currently. With this account. We'll see if maybe when I restart on Monday. I mean, I could like paste the bottom left here, which is the account info, but that's not going to show you all the accounts as they're happening. Yeah, I wonder if you guys earn bits or whatever it is over there. I don't even remember. Do these sounds even work anymore? Let's see. I don't even know how to make those work. I wonder if I need to have the voice mod thing open. Oops. Oh god. No, exit. I don't remember how I had everything set up on Twitch. It's been almost 2 years since I was on there. But I do know that Marbles is pretty easy to set up, so that's why I did that. All right, let's see. Yeah, don't redeem anything on Twitch because I don't think any of that works. I don't even know how to adjust most of that. I'll figure it out though. Before I do that though, let me find a way to show you guys my P&L because I've always been, I want to be transparent, so I don't want to have it even appear that I'm withholding that. I need to like recenter some of this stuff too. OnlyFans going soon? Yeah. Do not redeem. OnlyFans. Man, I'll tell you right now. If you're a decent looking chick, it'd be hard not to have an OnlyFans. I understand the implications of it, but just get rich and then just go somewhere and just relax the rest of your life. I mean, it would be that simple. Just go disappear somewhere. All right, where do you set up the stuff on Twitch? Twitch, redeem points, channel points. Click the channel point icon at the bottom left of the chat window. All right. Pop up some rewards, manage rewards. There we go. All right, yeah, here we go. I don't even know how these were working in the first place. If I knew how they were working, I would just get them to do it again. Edit. Let's see if I can see how it was working. I think it was I had to have it set up on my OBS. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Oh yeah, there's the bang. Oh god, you guys would scare the living bejesus out of me with that bang. Let's tell our wives. I mean, seriously. Yeah, the Hawk Tuah girl, like she's making, you know, probably a couple $100,000, maybe even close to $1 million, but she could have made generational money with an OnlyFans. All she had to do was make one video. All she had to do was make one video. Karen. Didn't Methodical Man, he's not live anymore. I was watching him earlier. He left already. I mean, he's here, but he's not live. Need ideas? Browse our custom rewards section. Name generator. You get to name a character item. Drop it. Make me drop my weapon. Hydrate. Take a drink. Interesting. Hats off to you. Put on a hat. It would have to be the other way. Take off the hat. I know some people use the the mute button that you can mute the stream. Maybe I'll figure out how to set these back up, but just don't do them now if you're over there. 11 o'clock we'll play marbles. If you want to play marbles, head over to the Twitch chat. Exclamation point play in the Twitch chat. And it'll put your marble on the board. As you can see, the 15 that are already there. Okay, but back to the VIP membership for OnlyFans. That's funny. Dun, 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 dun. Alrighty. Yeah, that's definitely something I'll do over the weekend. So by the way, on stonks.com, the other site that I was testing out with streaming, yes, we're going back to, well, the bans are going to help. The trend trading, I don't mind, but I feel like the trend trading. So here's my thought. I was sorry. This is what I told David. I'm gonna have 3 of my funded futures accounts. I'm gonna use one to trade, go back to trading the open. Second one to do the bans / DCAing, and the third one I'm gonna use to attempt trend trading. And I can flip back between them all. So I'm gonna have the three different methods without copy trading, so that I don't risk every account for each trade, and we'll see what happens with each. It's almost kind of perfect because those are the 3 strats that I essentially have in my arsenal, and this way I can use them all. Yeah, well, I guess we'll find out. I hope you're wrong, but you might be right. Right now, since I only have one account, while they iron out the kinks of getting the Quantower situation fixed, I'm just gonna do the DCA because it's what I'm best at. And I could even trade the open on Monday if it's still not fixed and I don't have the 3 accounts, then I'll just do the maybe I'll trade the open first and then do the DCA. I don't know. We'll figure that part out. The problem with the open strat is it's very risky. It's very risky. So stonks, they have this thing. All you have to do is make an account and you can guess. They have this thing where you can guess where the price is going to be by a certain time. And they just put $1,000 up every time. And if you get within a certain distance, like if you're the closest, you win the most amount of the $1,000 prize pool that they have. And they do it pretty much every day. It's kind of crazy. I've won twice for like $1 and some change both times. But today's is Bitcoin. So it's you got 5 hours and 12 minutes left in order to enter. It's pretty simple. You know, all you have to do is make an account and hit play and you get the guess. Let's see. Bitcoin's at, I'm gonna go bearish on it. I'm gonna just do 5 5 5 5 5. All 5s across. Oh, you get 2. Oh, looks like you get 2 of them. All right, let's go the other way. Let's go 6 1 6 1 6 1. There we go. So you get two predictions. Oh, here we go. DCA gang in full effect. Jeez. There's the bands. First entry might have been a smidge early. Got excited. See if we can get that retest. Jeez, what a move. It's the move we were kind of looking for up here. We just never got it. See if we can come up and get that retest. Let's try. We got to break this high, this previous candle. Pop it. Pop that candle. It's really struggling. All right, so at this point, this is kind of what I'm talking about. Now we can move our stop because obviously we don't want it to go back to the lows. We want the retest. I mean, it can go back to the lows, but we're obviously looking for the retest first. There we go. Push, push, push. Get that retest. Go, go, go. Close enough. It looked like it was going to stop right at our average, which it still has. It didn't go higher just yet. Let's see if it would have. I took it off. Nice trade there. Yep. Okay, so we would have got it. I'm not going to complain. That was a good trade. So Rogue, I'm trying to figure out how. That brought us back to even after all these shenanigans pretty much. So that's my goal. My goal right there is exactly what you saw. Start with 2. Always 500 is going to be my max loss per trade. So I'm always going to every time if I add, I'm going to put that max loss out there and have it set. So there's no way I can get around it. That's how I'm going to do it. I don't understand, like this isn't working, this indicator up here for some reason. I don't know if it's something to do with it's just not registering the accounts or something, but we'll figure that part out. No transparency. Get out of here. All right, you know what? I'm going to focus on that real quick. Let me add a window capture. Name it P&L. And it's just going to have to be this, but it's going to have to be just this section. But the question is, where do I put it? You know, like, do I just stick it over here, I guess? I don't really have a good place to put it. So I'll just line it up over here. Can you guys even see that? That's the other thing. I guess it doesn't need to be that full amount. It only really has to be... It only has to be this. There you go. How's that work for you? Get rid of that little line there. Go up a little, get off of that. There we go. Well, the right bottom I have stuff, which I actually need to move around a little bit. There's so much going on at the moment. Probably could have got a trade there looking for this retest after that big move back up, but I want to try to stick to my guns. What I was doing was working. I can't let the big, because think about it. If I wouldn't have let those 2 trades get out of hand, I'd still have those accounts. That's the bummer. That's the bummer of it all. Wow, look, we're coming right back down. It got volatile here. Nice, Rogue. Good stuff. It's good to not get greedy. Had a nice scalp on Siga. Market open. Nice. Thank you, Angry. Excuse me. Thank you. Ah. My throat. Thank you, Angry Buddha. I thought you can't DCA. Oh, you can DCA in MFF. As much as you want, actually. All right, let's oh, now I'm in Twitch. Dang it. Gotta switch back over to YouTube. Way too much going on. Do we finally get the retest? Oh my god, did you see how quickly I did that? Oh, I missed Quantower so much. I'm sure I could have made Ninja work, but Ninja kind of sucked. Okay. Spit didn't work. Yeah, I don't have that up. Hold on. I can bring that back up. There's an update. Uh-oh, I don't know if I want an update. All right, we'll do it. It's gonna ruin everything. I swear, man, anytime I see an update for something, I get scared. 21 EMA on the 15 minutes breaking. I don't have the EMA. Well, I do have the 13 EMA up, but that's it. Let's see if it got, yeah, it got rid of the commands again. Dude, I'm getting real sick and tired of that. Maybe the update will stop that. I guess maybe we'll see. I don't know if I want to keep adding them though every single time. That's kind of ridiculous. Oh, it'll work on Twitch now too. I didn't even think about that. We'll see if it works on both. You can test it out. All right, cash should work. Spit should work. Pivot should work. Actually, it might not work because I didn't connect the OBS yet. Sorry. Hold on. Now that I'm thinking about it. Like it might, the text might work, but not the pop-up. And womp, womp, womp. Yeah, it's not connected. All right, hold on. Connect. Oh, uh-oh. Edit. Oh, it needs the password. You guys don't understand how much goes into streaming. There's so much that goes into streaming. It's crazy. Y'all think it's like hitting a button and it's just that. No, it's not. There's so much. Like if you want to actually do cool stuff, all right, it all should work now. It is better than a 9 to 5. I'm not gonna lie there. I'm not saying I dislike it. I'm just saying it's a lot of work. The part that I wish I had more time for was to actually make like videos. Like the streaming part is actually not that hard once you have it set up, but the having time to make videos and edit the videos and stuff like that's the hard part. You probably have to wait for the cooldown at this point. I mean, it says connected. The commands are there. They should all work. Everything's there. Everything's still in OBS. So yeah, they should work. It might just be on cooldown from the first time you did it. Oh yeah, I gotta get rid of that timer. That's probably why you guys kept doing it, huh? I didn't even think about that. Alright, that one's gone. Actually, I could just change it. Yeah, I tried it. It didn't work. It should have worked. Because I changed the cooldown to see if it would work. Man, it's always something. Alright, hold on.
Pushing a train, I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. Your check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. You got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. You got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing. Just
never even got to my overlays yet. It's just two womps, but yeah, they're not working for some reason. Hold on, I'm looking. I wonder if it's because I have it set for both Twitch and YouTube. No, that didn't do it either. It says it's enabled. I mean, it's connected to OBS. Oh, hold on. I know why. I know why. I figured it out. All right, hold on. Duplicate. I'm gonna cancel. Let's delete this one. Move. Duplicate. Main. I know why. All right. It should have still popped up the text though. Do you think the rules for these future firms versus personal is about same? Because when trading prop, we do eval and make money on eval, but lose on funded account. Whereas personal, we could take the money. Well, there is no rules on a personal account, so I'm confused to your question. So Hector, if you want to play marbles, !play over on the Twitch channel. I have the link in the top of the chat there. It'll take you over here. Get your marble on the board. Right now, I'm trying to figure out why this isn't working. Let me manually go into this. In trading view. Look to. All right, let's see if this. Wondering if it's registering as the old one, even though I renamed it. But the message should have still came up. What is not working? It's because I just... GDT is not included. It's over on Twitch. !play over on Twitch. This week, nothing working. So true. Why? I don't understand why this isn't working, though. Nothing. I didn't change anything. Use the command. It should activate this. It should send a YouTube message, and it should activate the... Oh, wait. Is it because now I'm not on that one? All right. One more time. I have no idea why the YouTube message isn't popping up, but it should be popping up the actual GIF with the sound. But it's not. I don't understand. I don't understand. So I'm doing this. This is manually. Yeah. So the GIF is there. For some reason, it's just not. Or it's not popping up on command. And I don't know why. Change it back to main. Because that's what I want to work. Maybe it's disconnected again somehow. Let me... call me a moron. Call me a moron, because that is exactly what I am. Go ahead, moron in chat, F in chat, something in chat to call me a moron, because I am the moron. There is no doubt about it. What? Alright, it says it was successful. I'm such an idiot. Continue. What is this? Token number of scopes. What does that even mean? It says I've been success. All right. I'm going to X out. I'm going to get back in and see if that fixes it. What a moron I am. All right. That auto connected, so that's good. How do I get back? Count. There we go. Connect. All right, I think I might have just needed the restart. Hopefully that works. Continue. No, what the fuck? Token for YouTube has an incorrect number of scopes. Try authorizing again. YouTube has incorrect number of scopes. Sorry, I'm Googling. Hello, sir. Do you also stream on Twitch or YouTube? I do. My strat is kind of DCAing. Kinda. It is DCAing. And I'm using prop firms. I'm currently using My Funded Futures, Apex, and Bulenox are my three main that I use. Cub, I think you were already in the race, by the way. XXX. Getting an invalid scope. So none of this. As you can see, we're just chopping on the chart, so I'm not really... I'm just trying to fix some things while we're waiting for a trade. Resumes. Is it? It's letting me log in, but then it's popping the error, and I don't understand why. Oh, maybe because I didn't click that? Aha! 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 Such an idiot.
Oh, you gotta give him that hawk too and spit on that thing. You get me?
Oh, yeah. All right, now let me put the delay back on it before you guys go nuts. Now, in theory, it should work over on Twitch as well. You know what? Before I change the cooldown, let me try it over on Twitch. Was it delayed?
Oh, you gotta give him that huck and spit on that thing. You get me?
Yeah, that's way off. I wonder what happened there. I wonder why it's so off. All right, well, it does work over there now. So let me put the cooldown on real quick while I figure that part out. All right. All right. It's actually working. I like it.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck
Wait,
spit on that thing. You get me?
do I have to be on this? Maybe it's because I bet that might be why. I bet you that was why. I think I was because I was on the wrong thing. I wonder if because I'm the broadcaster, it'll let me.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck and spit on that thing. You get me?
No, I saw it running down there. Okay, so it's still off. All right, well, I'll figure that out later. That's we got it working. That's the least of my concerns. Is getting that lined up right now. Neo Marbles, link top of the chat there in YouTube. Will take you to my Twitch chat. In the Twitch chat, !play. That is how we're playing marbles from now on. That will get you in there. Look at that, GDT is green. Why is GDT green? Oh, he subscribed. Why didn't that pop up as a subscription? Oh, what the... I guess I know why, because I don't have the alert box in my OBS, because I haven't used Twitch in forever. He's always green. Yeah, if you subscribe over on Twitch, it will turn your name green because you're a subscriber. Speaking of which, if you have Amazon Prime and you don't subscribe to anybody, I'll farm for some Prime subs real quick. You get a free subscription once a month to give to somebody on Twitch. If you have Amazon Prime and you don't subscribe to anybody and give it to somebody each month, now you can give it to me. Started Twitch just to use my Twitch Prime. Smart. That's not why. I totally forgot about it. That's kind of funny though. I do have to add that alert box back though. All right, let me adjust. Okay, first off, I need to get rid of, these are the same, right? Okay, these are the same now. All right, so let me get rid of this one. All right, now we have main. So everything should work now on main. And then let me adjust the discounts rotation one looks good. That's this. I just need to move this over a little. Looks like. Okay, that looks good. The day trading coupons. Okay, so that's the, not the discount rotations, the, which one has, is it the camera? All right, we can get rid of this one. And we can get, oh no, shit. Did I just mess that up? I think I might have messed up there. Okay, nothing disappeared, so that's good. Alright, edit. I think this is the one I need to edit. Yep. Okay, let's move this back up. Yeah, see, I think this is the wrong one. Okay. Alright, copy URL. Overlay webcam. Oh no, wait. Oh, damn it. So that's gonna be ruined. Shit. That's okay. We'll just move it back down. How about that? I think I had it great there, maybe? Which, okay, that's that. Okay, and that's that. All right, properties. That. Wait, why is that all the way up there? That's not right. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh yeah, that was like perfect. Okay, now I just gotta move this back. Oh, I don't know why I did that. Alright. DTC. Move that right there. I don't like how it gives us... I got too much room over there to the left. We'll try to split that a little. Go that way. Come this way. Too far. Not enough. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little too much. Right there. That looks good. Good enough for government work, as I always used to say. Alright, we're getting a drop down here. Get another trade. Getting pretty close to the bands again. It means the prices have kind of slowed down. Candles are pretty big. I mean, that's a 110 tick candle. That's quite a bit. Almost 30 ticks. I would ideally like to see it push through this line. Do you also all right, who wants to be a mod on Twitch to get rid of these little bots? It doesn't let me like delete what he said. I'm in moderator view, but and I'm the one running the channel, but for some reason it's not letting me. It's like not letting me okay, block hyperlinks. Maybe that'll help. Rayu, I don't know you well enough. Oh, there's Frogga's in here. We know we'll give him a mod. I don't even remember how to give him mod, to be honest. Mod, there it is. All right. The question is, it won't, like, I click on, like, I can warn him and ban him. I'm just gonna ban him, but I don't know how to just delete the message. I thought there, oh, is it because I have this on? No, so it's not because I had dark mode on. I was like, maybe I'm missing. Is there just not a spot to delete the chat? I'm so confused. Anyways, exclamation point play over in the Twitch chat if you want to play marbles. We're gonna play here in a sec. Oh wow, it's 11:20 already. Well, time kind of started flying by, trying to get all that fixed. All right, one last thing I want to do, and then we'll play marbles. Is I want to add the alert box back for Twitch. $13 months of Prime. That's awesome. I think I'm up to like 18 or whatever on Stock Jock's channel. I always pop in there once a month just to give it to him. Streaming tools, overlays. The real Twitch alert box apparently is what I call it. Browser, Twitch, alert box. Copy, paste. Huh? This page has not been found. What? Huh? Control A, Control V. I mean, that's definitely the Earl. Oh, okay, there we go. Let's see if we emulate. Oh, it's old school. Oh, it's like down there. Okay, so I gotta make the box. Oh, I don't have the right properties. 1920 by 1080. There we go. Oh, the old school. All right, so now if we go back to the dashboard, we can hit GDT with this, and it should work. Holy crap, it still works! I forgot all about that. Oh, man. Let's go. All right, well, if you subscribe over on Twitch, that's what happens. I am so afraid. I am so afraid. There was no sound? I heard the sound. You really couldn't hear the sound? It should have been. Could anyone else hear the sound? No? Oh man, it was the money, money, money song. Money, 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 money. No, or it was, yeah, it was like, I forget which one it was. That's not cool. I wonder, yeah, what sound? Damn it. All right, and it's just another thing I gotta figure out. All right, let's play marbles. You know what? For all the trouble, we're playing for 20 bucks. Let's play for 20 bucks. I don't even care how many people are in here. Let's do it. Exclamation point play in the Twitch chat. In the Twitch chat. If you're not in, it's twitch.tv/volatility trading. It's pinned in the YouTube chat. I kind of posted it in the Stonks chat if you want to participate. We're going to give away 20 bucks. All you got to do is be in the race and win. That's it. And then you have to have a PayPal address. You have to have PayPal. Major delay on Twitch. Let me refresh on Twitch and see. So I'm literally running all 3 streams out of OBS. So hit refresh because it works. No sound? Why are you guys hearing no sound? I'm so confused. You should have sound. Yeah, it's 3 streams. I got YouTube, Twitch, and Stonks all going at the same time. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. So the top right here. Why is it so small? There we go. So there's Twitch, there's Stonks, and then this main one is YouTube. Sound is working. Okay. Stonks is it's a new website. I'm assuming they're kind of going off the Wall Street Bets ordeal. Why? What is going on here? Oh, because yeah, I'm still on the options tab. There we go. You did not miss it yet, but Kevin, up above in the chat there on YouTube, there's a link. I pinned it. You got to click on that. It'll take you over to the Twitch chat. You have to have an account with Twitch, which shouldn't be hard because I think you can sign in actually with your YouTube account. I think, I'm not sure, but it's exclamation point play over in the Twitch chat. And once you're in there, we'll go ahead and run the race. Where? I'm such an idiot, I swear. Okay, here we go. There we go. Game setup. There's the player list. What does that say? Can I kick them? Oh, I can kick people. I'll kick you. I'll do it. I don't even think I'm in this race yet. Yeah, I'm not. So it's just play. Exclamation point play. Not marbles. I know we've been playing exclamation point marbles, but to get in now, I wonder if I could change that. But I think it's just exclamation point play. Or any of these emotes. If you have any of these emotes in Twitch, I guess you can use these and it'll get you in there too. But exclamation point play gets you in. As of right now, we got 21 people. I'll give it another. We'll do it at 11:30. We'll do it at 11:30. So we'll give people ample time to get over there, sign up. Exclamation point play in the chat. Play number 2. And we'll go from there. I'm really curious. I heard the alert. Oh, you know why? Because desktop audio. That's why. Here, tell me if you guys hear it now. I'm an idiot. I don't have it on the Marvel screen. I suck so bad at this. Working out the kinks, baby. Working out the kinks. All right, hold on. Let me go over here. Copy. Paste. You know, I was just thinking, I don't even have the alerts box. The alert box for like all these wouldn't work while we're playing.
Daddy,
Hey bud.
will you play marbles?
Yeah. Copy. Paste. There's the Twitch alert box. Maybe it's just part of the overlay. We're gonna have to assume it is for now. All right, let's try this.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
Okay, so that's what it was. I was like, how can I hear it, but you guys can't hear it? Okay, that makes sense, because it was the desktop audio. I just have to... The reason I have the desktop audio off some of the times is because I like to watch YouTube videos while I'm streaming every once in a while, and I don't want you guys to be able to hear it. So that's the only reason. But I can always figure that out later. All right, so we got 2 minutes. 2 minutes to get to the Twitch chat. Exclamation point play in the Twitch chat. Nah, yeah, I can figure out how to set all those back up over on Twitch.
Are you going to be playing?
Yes, at 11:30. Yes. Okay, thank you. All right. Listen to the kid. Hear it. Yeah, I am. I'll be right back. You guys got 1 minute and 20 seconds. Yep, go for it. Actually, here, let me do it. I don't want you to hurt yourself. No, stop. All right, let's do it. He's 8. He likes to think he's older though. 1 sec. Let's see if we get a trade here. Looks like we're popping up through this area. If it doesn't happen within the next 30 seconds, this candle. If it doesn't happen in this candle, we'll go play. All right, it's not gonna happen. Marbles, let's do it. Tim is 69, no, 38. About to be 39 though. All right, here we go. 3, 2. The cool thing about playing marbles is if you type exclamation point play as I'm counting down. Oh wait, it says there's an ad break in progress over there, so I'll wait till that ends. I didn't know there was ads, but I see it popped up. I don't know. I don't even know if I can get rid of that. I think that's just Twitch. Am I winning? I didn't start yet. I was gonna say, as I'm counting down, like with this, you can literally enter all the way until I hit play. All right, here we go. Can I change this to like 5 seconds? How about 3 seconds? There we go. Oh, what the heck? 3. I guess you can only do 10 apparently. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Let's see what GDT's marble looks like. Oh, he's got the vanilla. He's got the vanilla. Oh, and he's a mod. Ooh. Whoa. Everyone's got the white one. Look at my cool guy. Oh, all right. So now when we play marbles on Twitch too, you actually have the ability. It should have given you guys different marbles. I wonder if I did that by accident. Or maybe it's this track in specific. I don't know. But you can edit your profiles. You can actually go download marbles yourself and use your own marble. Oh, Stock Butcher. Oh, nope. He's gone. Stock Butcher gone. Rayu. Burst through. Froggo. Mainly trades just blasting through the pegs into the tumbler. Ooh, didn't get straight out. Oh, did he fall in? Yep, he sure did. Mainly trades down to a decent little lead here. Can he fall in? Ooh, I'm in there. I'm in there. Oh, second, first, fifth, fourth, eighth. I can't get it. 8. Nope. I stink.
You're 6.
Boogeyman in the lead.
That,
I know. It's because we were in the tumbler. Hector's now following. Thank you, sir. Yeah, hit the follow button on Twitch if you haven't already. Hit the follow button on stonks.com if you haven't already. Froggo! Let's go! Froggo first one down. He must have hit it. He got pegged. Froggo must have got pegged.
yeah.
Into the windmills.
You're in 3rd.
Into the windmills.
Nope.
Oh, he made it through the first one. Oh, not so lucky in the second. Oh, I thought it was going to get you back up into that one. Oh, he made it through. All you got to do is avoid the laser. Avoid the laser. He goes around it. All right. Now you just got to stay within the limits of the track. Come on, Froggo. You can do it. Oh, so close. Come on, Froggo. Get back into your test. Oh, get into your test tube. Get into your test tube. No one's even close. Froggo with the win. Let's go. It's rigged. I just made him a mod. That's why. He's rigged. It's rigged. Look at Rayu around the corner to come in second place, though. Wow. Found that test tube way back there. Visible ID in 3rd. Cubs in 4th. I guess you could, in theory, fall off there. Am I even still on the track? I am. I'm up there somewhere. Whoa, Shibby. Look at that. It goes right back in. He's going to land in there. Look at that. So it is possible. Shibby 6th. Steez, Zishan 7th and 8th. Oh, I came in 10th. Look at that. Made the top 10. GG, Froggo. A GG. If Froggo, for some reason being Froggo, doesn't want it, I hope he takes it, though. Froggo, you should take it. You never take it. You can buy a Bulenox account or something with it. But if he doesn't, for some reason, we'll push it to Monday. We'll push it to Monday. GG. Really? Cheese curls? I thought you would have went with the sour cream and onion. I would have lost money on that bet. Is Froggo acting like he's not here? You gotta earn it. You gotta earn it, H-Town boy. Mr. Zishan. Replay won, and instead of first, the prize goes to the last place? What? Alright, hey, it's his money.
Can we do my favorite?
Which one's your favorite?
Bullseye.
The bullseye? Alright. Alright, exclamation point play in the Twitch chat. Get you in there. So it's whoever is furthest away from the bullseye, not whoever is closest to the bullseye. So whoever comes in last place wins. Not first place. That is the rules. So Kevin, link top of the YouTube chat. It'll take you to Twitch. Twitch is where we're playing marbles. It's a lot easier for me to run the marbles race when all I have to worry about is exclamation point play. Having to deal with all the other stuff is daunting. More so daunting than everything else I had to fix today.
Whee!
Oh no, it's cool. I didn't know if you knew or not. All right, we'll give it another 30 seconds. See if anyone else is here. Exclamation point play in the Twitch chat. Get you into the race. You're gonna land on this bullseye. You want to be the furthest away from the middle.
I thought it was closest.
You do, but Mr. Froggo, who won the last race, he wants to rerun it and give the money to somebody else. But his rule was that he wants whoever comes in last place to win, not first place. So in this case, it would be whoever's furthest away from the bullseye.
But how are we going to keep track of that?
Well, it'll tell us who comes in last. All right.
This one isn't really a race, though. That's why I like it.
Yeah. I mean, it's a race to get. You still want to be first, especially if you're trying to get in the middle. Because if you hit the middle, no one can take it from you.
Yeah, but if you hit the middle when someone else is on there, you're going to bounce off and go down.
And that's true. Exactly.
But also, it's not a race.
Right. Yeah, you're right.
You just want to be there first.
All right, you ready? Count it down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got both of them in here now. All right. Down the old Plinko chute.
Who's playing?
Just some people that are watching.
And it's for
All right,
money.
keep in mind, it's whoever is furthest away from that bullseye.
You don't want to be close.
We'll follow Mr. GDT down. If you guys are interested in stocks and not futures, GDT, go watch him. Oh, I thought you were about to go over. How would that work? Because I'm pretty sure this is one of the ones that has like no eliminations on it. I guess you could get eliminated.
And then you'll just get started back.
Yeah, we'd have to rerun it. We'd have to rerun the race then. I'm a little confused why everyone's balls are white. They should be, or marbles. I said balls. All right, here we go. Some people are gonna start getting up there. Oh, look at the splats. They're like, that's funny. Oh, I don't know who's further. It looks like Boogeyman so far. Boogeyman? Boogeyman? Who's left? Oh, we still got a few coming in. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I think Stock Butcher might have got it. What do we think here?
You won.
I of course I won. That's funny. Stock Butcher, Floatastic. Can I get out of this menu without getting out of it? I really think Boogeyman. He looks for. Oh, I don't know. Stock Butcher looks pretty far up there. All right, here we go.
It's Boogeyman.
Oh, it was Boogeyman. Look, it even tells you the distance, so there's no question. Boogie, boogie, boogie. All right. Boogeyman, I will message you in the Twitch chat. And it's so much easier this way. I don't even have to verify. It's so awesome. All right. Let's see. Whisper. I don't even know if that worked. All right, I sent you a whisper. It should pop up like in your notifications that I sent you a whisper. Just respond to that with your PayPal address. And thank Froggo for allowing us to do that. That was actually kind of fun. I wish there was a better way to like see it, but like to examine without having to pop the leaderboard up. But that's pretty fun.
Wait, Mr.
Boogeyman.
No, you were last
whoa.
place.
No, well, yeah, I was last place, even though I was first place. In this case, I was, yeah.
Yeah. And if it was first place, you would have won the money.
I know. It's funny. So you should, like I said, you should be able to see up in the notifications bar that I sent you a whisper. You should be able to like click on it and respond to it there. Well, Karen, you have to re-enter each race that we do. So basically, it's a way to make sure the people that are playing are actually active. So if you weren't in there, I'm sorry, but you weren't here when we ran the race. There's always next time. There's always next time. Speaking of which, Monday, plaster and water going in. Final steps of the pool. Even though they're gonna have to fix some of the concrete, but Ray.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes
Just scared the crap out of me.
Money!
You found what? How to subscribe? Oh, the Prime. You found the Prime thing. Nice. Yeah, you have to like link your Amazon/Prime account to it. Karen, what's your name on Twitch? Is it Karen? I thought I saw it said Karen too, didn't it? Because we ran 2 races.
Daddy, look at
So you might have been in the first one. Yeah, Karen. Is it Karen Donovan? Is that you? Wait, are you Donovan McNabb too? Are you husband and wife? What's going on there? Guys, can you get off the chair, please? And keep moving it. You were touching it.
Yeah, I'm just touching it, not moving.
Yeah, you touching it moves it. You just don't realize it. I can also be a Karen. You damn right I can. Do I know who you are on YouTube? I mean, I don't. That's such a odd name to have over here. Oh, you actually asked how do I give my the F do I give my Prime to you? That's funny. I just saw that. Karen Donovan. Siapa. Okay. Hey, you guys can't be eating that whole box. You can have one more. What is it? Barbecue? Yeah. Well, thank you, Siapa. Did he message me back? Now I need to keep his up just to make sure. Whispers. Here we go. Ciceron. Nice. Let's go. Ciceron won. That's the only thing is going from Twitch to YouTube, you might have different names. Can you share a few thoughts on the Hawkbot? Yeah, I don't like it.
These aren't funny because of funny.
See, I like this with Twitch too because I can literally message the exact account that typed !play.
Oh, you gotta give him that
asking for
hawk
their PayPal address.
too and
So
spit
much
on that
easier.
thing. You get me?
Yeah, I have to figure out the sound and stuff on that. I'll figure that out later. I'll do like a... Well, I don't know. Might have to do it on this. Yes, that's what it... So the reason I don't like it is because it just... I gave it 3 attempts and it failed all 3 times, so... The idea is nice, but if it were that easy and it was actually working... I say this all the time. If someone's trying to sell you a bot, it probably doesn't work. Because if it was working, they'd be using it. And they wouldn't want anyone else to use it. Make sense? But I gave it a shot anyway. I did three accounts, then 2 accounts, and then 1 account. Each time I was growing less and less confident. And it was always something like, oh, there was something wrong with it. Oh, it did this. Oh, try this. And no matter what, maybe they figure it out. Maybe they adjust it so that it works and good for them. But it didn't work. I gave them a test trial of my time to try it and it didn't work. And I was getting quite frustrated because it was like every time it was something else. So I was done with it. I wish the best to them. But it's not for me. Yeah. Like I said, I gave him the benefit of the doubt each time, but you know, and the other thing that kind of ticked me off is the amount of confidence that was there that when his bot messed up, supposedly, but you know, I was like, well, do you want to buy my next couple accounts since I just lost these accounts because your bot messed up? And he's like, oh no, it's only $17, so you can do it. I was like, whatever, that's fine. But then I gave him another chance, and then something else happened. And then this last time, he's like, well, you can try this. And then that didn't work. Well, I'm done with it. I'm not talking about it anymore. Yeah, bud. Cool, thank you. All right, got till noon. 12 minutes.
12 minutes for what?
That's how long I'm gonna stay here. Cecilian, I'm waiting on your PayPal, man. Gimme.
Hey, it's working sausage.
So I'm trying to learn trading, so I've been watching, but Donovan McNally can't teach me. Well, that I can't help you with. Anybody have any plans? I just sent it on private message. Is my email address. I did not. I don't see it. Oh, maybe. Okay, there it is. Done. Is my... You didn't actually send the email address though. It just says done and then is my email address. I don't know what your email address is. Show user profile. Like, is it in there? I don't even know, honestly. No, that doesn't come up for me. Yeah, it looks like everything's really slowing down. We're actually heading right back up to this red to green. Look how close the bands are getting. It's just the volume's completely dying off. Maybe for the rest of the stream, I will attempt to fix the delay. What the heck was that? Not working. I can make noise now. You should go upstairs, like right above me, and just start dancing. So I know what it's like. They wear socks. Dogs don't have shoes. It's funny when sometimes at night when Camden jumps off his bed I like freak out because it's like, oh my god, I thought he was gonna like come through the ceiling because it's his room that's right above me. You can learn a lot from VOLA. Started to be better because I watched it. Made me realize some crucial things about trading. That's, you know, I might not be the best trader, obviously, but if you can learn, let alone from like my mistakes as I'm making them, I mean, that's a plus to me. Really, Bray? Retest. Come on. Brayden, stop, please. I'll say it really, it looked closer than it actually was. Come on, give us that retest of that previous candle. Do it. Okay, now that is pretty close. Come on, there we go. Yes.
I want hug. It's a mouse.
When's your joke of the day? They're asking.
My joke of the day.
Yep, what's your joke? What's your joke today?
I will go get it.
All right. He's going to get it. It's his joke. It's not my joke. You guys are going to lose the ability of hearing his jokes in 2 weeks. Well, week and a day. Goes back to school. What did the beach... Oh, what is that joke? I remember seeing this joke a while ago. You have one? Oh, I remember it. What did the beach say to the tide as it came back in? That's what it is. What did the beach say to the tide when it came back in? Long time no see. Get it? See? Get it? What's yours?
What's a pig that has no legs?
What's a pig that has no legs? I'll give him a sec to answer. What's a pig that has no legs?
What are they saying?
Pig in a blanket?
No.
Bacon?
No.
Tim?
No.
Oops. I think they're done with their answers. What is it? A pig with no legs.
A pig with no legs is a pork chop.
A pork chop. It's kind of like bacon. Did you send it to me here? Can you, so Boogeyman, can you send it to me on Twitch? I don't want none of this. That would be a way to scam me. Or somebody finds finds it in I don't see it. And nowhere in the whisper does it say it. It just says done and then is my email address. And I see no email address anywhere. Yeah, see, that doesn't show for me. I wonder if it's because it's an email address. Maybe it doesn't let you send email addresses. Try typing in like the first part without the at, and then just tell me what it is after that. Like, obviously I can see that because you're sending me screenshots, but I just want to see it in here just to prevent any any fishiness. So like everything before the at, and then you can just tell me like what it's at, like at, since it's at like Gmail. Yeah, okay, that works too. Okay.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I have a riddle.
A riddle. All right, let's hear it.
Okay. If there's 101 bricks on the plane and one falls off, how many are there?
If there's 101 bricks on a plane and one falls off, how many are there? I'm gonna say 100. How many are still on the plane, right? 100.
Yeah.
Okay.
How do you put a giraffe in the fridge?
How do you put a giraffe in the fridge? You open the door and put it in? I guess the fridge would have to be big enough.
Wrong.
Okay, what's the answer?
You open the fridge, you put the giraffe in, and you close the fridge.
I just said that.
You said open the fridge and put the giraffe in.
Okay, that's what you just said.
I said open the fridge, put the giraffe in, then close the
Okay, so I said not to close the door. Okay. All right, next.
How do you put an elephant in the fridge?
An elephant in the fridge? Okay, you open the fridge, you put the elephant in, and you close the door.
Wrong.
What?
You open the fridge, you take the giraffe out, you put the elephant in,
God.
then you close the door.
Okay.
If there's 101 invitations sent to an animals party, and one person doesn't come, who is it?
The elephant, because he's in the fridge? Oh no, I know this one. It's the guy that was invited but was on the ground but couldn't make it because he died because the brick that fell out of the plane hit him.
No.
No, what is it then?
The elephant's in the fridge, so you can't go.
Is that one of them ones no matter what I pick? I'm pretty sure it was the brick thing.
No.
I think you're lying.
Okay. If someone's crossing a bridge with alligators, how do they survive?
If someone's crossing a bridge with alligators, how do they survive? They just stay on the bridge?
Did you feed them lunch?
No, because the alligators are on the bridge.
The alligators are they're on the actual bridge.
And the water. And there's some in the water.
Brayden, are you hungry?
I don't know.
Yes.
You want some chicken nuggets?
But alligator is at a party, so they can't eat.
Oh my jeez, you
But
said
they-
alligators. There's more than one.
Then alligators.
Now you're just being silly. All
But
right,
they
money
still-
sent. Did you get it?
Hey,
What?
there's one more part.
All right, go. This is a
But
long
they
riddle.
Still managed to die. How?
The brick that fell out of the plane.
Yes.
I was like, I know it circles around to that.
We don't have pizza.
Then get a pizza, please.
That's for dinner.
No problem. All right, I'm gonna see what happens here at High Day, and then after that, I'm out of here. Are you trying to talk to me? Or are you just standing there?
Oh, I was trying to figure out if I gotta cook them lunch or if you were going to.
I mean, I guess I can after I get off, which is gonna be in a minute or two.
You said 12. That's 1 minute.
I mean, unless they just want nuggets, and
And my work like blew up today.
it sounds like a you problem.
So busy. If you take care of lunch.
You can't stick some nuggets in the air fryer? All right, well, it looks like we're not going back up there, so. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. Gotta go take care of lunch with the kids. I will see you Monday. Have a good weekend. Until then, stay safe, and I will see you then. Until then, peace out.